there, so I recently picked up these new products from the drugstore. They're not new, but they're very new to me because this is my first time trying them. First off, I'm going to start with the Blade and Shade from NYX. I'm using the spoolie to comb my eyebrow hairs. And then the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. I picked up the color 525. 525 is the deep golden shade, but is anyone else seeing some red undertones there? The foundation wears beautiful. It's lightweight. I would say it's light to medium coverage, very buildable. It's also very affordable. It doesn't feel heavy on the face, and it blends beautifully. Next up, I picked up this thread powder. I don't think I've seen this brand before, so I was curious. It is the Finish It translucent powder, which I'm using on top of my concealer to make sure everything is set. And this one is in the shade Deep. So far, I am not too crazy about it. I'm going to continue using it and trying it with different formulas of foundations and concealers to see if that changes anything. Okay, so moving on to the Warm Berry Black Radiance Blush. I will say this one had me in the first half. And I say that because after my first application, which is right here, all the pigment from the pan vanished. I used it again the next day and it was like nothing. And now I'm back with the NYX Blade and Shade, and I'm using the pencil side to shade in my eyebrows, and I love this tip. It's slanted at like the perfect angle, which makes this pencil so easy to use. I definitely see myself using this on a regular basis and possibly buying more. I would say my most disappointing purchase is this right here. Bear with me. If anyone has any tips or tricks on how to properly apply these, please let me know. I was in struggle city with these, truly. I'm definitely gonna keep trying, but I will say this was so hard. I probably read the instructions to this like 10 times and I still couldn't understand it. In theory though, this is such a great idea because I hate having glue residue stuck on my eyelashes from strip lashes. I will definitely keep trying, but please let me know how I'm going wrong about this. Yeah, it's a work in progress, but anyways, I managed to get one set on my eye, but the other one wasn't working. So ultimately, I just was like, let me get rid of it. Thank God I picked up some mascara. This one is the Essence Lash Princess Curl and Volume Mascara. This was not my favorite. They have other ones from the Lash Princess line. The best for me is the False Lash Effect Mascara. This next product is also from Essence. This is the Stay and Play Gel Eyeliner. I got the color Emerald. I am thoroughly impressed with this one. The application, the color, just the ease of it. This was my favorite thing that I got. After lining my lips, I will be trying the Essence 8-Hour Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Cinnamon Spice. Color-wise, beautiful nude. It was comfortable, but I don't like how dry it left my lips feeling. For me, wearing this again, I would definitely have to top it off with like a lip oil or maybe a gloss. So just to finish off the look, I'm gonna go with the Thread Finish It powder. Just gonna dust that all over my face for some extra blurring. Overall, I could have done without the lashes, and the blush had so much potential, but it didn't live up to my expectations. And the Essence Gel Eyeliner was by far my favorite. So this is how the look turned out. Let me know if you have tried any of these products or if you plan to. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!